In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. First, we'll install the Claude Code command line tool. On Linux or Mac OS, run the official installer command from claude.com using curl pipe to bash. On Windows, open PowerShell and run the install command that uses IWR pipe to IX. When that's done, confirm everything worked by typing claude space -- version. If you see a version number, you're good to go. Next is an optional setup for faster automated access. If you have an API key from your Claude account, set it as an environment variable so you don't have to log in each time. On Linux or Mac OS, export the Claude API key variable in your shell. On Windows PowerShell, use setx to store it. Keep your key private and avoid checking it into any files. Now let's create a clean project. Make a new folder, for example Claude Video Project, move into it, and open it in your editor. Inside, organize 3 subfolders: raw_videos for your source clips, output_videos for final renders, and scripts for any notes or prompts you want to reuse. A tidy layout saves time later. With the project open, initialize MCP, which stands for multi-context memory. Run the init command with a context size of 7, then load the current directory. This tells Claude to remember multiple clips, edits, and scripts at once, so you can move back and forth without losing track. Activate the video editing skills so Claude prioritizes editing tasks. If you also want help writing scripts or subtitles, you can optionally activate the script generator later. Start your editing session by launching the Claude command. In your first prompt, be specific. For example, tell it to use the video editor skill, grab all clips from the raw_videos folder, trim each to 10 seconds, add a fade in and fade out, merge everything into a file named final_edit.mp4 in the output_videos folder, and layer background music from your assets path at 50% volume. Clear, step-by-step prompts lead to cleaner results. If you want subtitles, activate the subtitle generator skill and ask for English captions for your final video, saved as an SRT file in your output folder. You can also apply creative touches. Ask for smooth crossfades between clips, a cinematic teal-orange color